So when it comes to selling your home, surprises are not your friend. Trust me. I've seen enough deals fall apart over things that could have been discovered and caught earlier. It's kind of like asking your teenager to clean their room before the company comes over. A little bit of a pre-inspection is all about getting ahead of the mess before somebody else points it out to you. Hi everyone, I'm Katie Evans, owner and lead agent of the Living 48 real estate team here at Real Broker, aka the Real Estate Boss Mom. Glad to have you back for another one of our videos. Today we're talking about why pre-inspections can be a seller's secret weapon. So let's have a few points here. I've got 5 of them to run through with you and just to kind of explain to you why this is a secret weapon for a seller. Okay, first point. This is going to help us avoid last-minute deal breakers. Here's the thing. Most buyers are going to schedule their inspections, and once they're under contract, that's what their first 10 days are for. So if that inspection uncovers a big issue, boom, you are back at square one. We are negotiating again. We may even be negotiating price or expensive repairs. It could be worse. You could lose the deal altogether if it's a really, really big ticket or big deal item. A pre-inspection puts you in control of the timeline. No surprises, no scrambling. Point number 2, this is going to help you build trust with the buyers. Buyers love transparency. When you hand over a clean inspection report or the original inspection with what you fixed, it is going to show the buyers that you've addressed the issues already, that they can rest assured and relax and just kind of sit back and enjoy the process of purchasing your home. See, they're all about finding things up front. They don't want to discover your skeletons in the closet later on. So that confidence is also going to help lead them to faster offers and stronger terms as well. Point number 3, make smart repairs. Not all repairs are created equally, okay? Think of it like this. If you wait for the buyer's inspection report, you're paying panic prices. What does that mean? Well, you don't get to choose the contractor. You're on their tight deadline. This pre-inspection is going to actually allow you to fix things on your schedule with your people and usually for a better price. And that's really just smart business. Point number 4, price more accurately. There may be some repairs that you just aren't willing to fix. And so we need to price the house appropriately for that. So pricing a house without knowing its true condition is a little bit like trying to bake a cake without checking to actually see if you have the eggs first. You're setting yourself up for a little bit of trouble. So a pre-inspection, you and your agent are going to be able to price the house confidently, and the market updates are going to be out there. It's going to be great. You're going to be able to move forward without the fear of the unknowns. Final point, number 5, standing out in the market. Sometimes when we're in a fast-moving market, which the Phoenix, Arizona real estate market has seen and will see again, standing out as a house matters. A home with a pre-inspection says, I'm ready, I'm serious, let's do this. Okay, buyers can even feel confident enough to even waive potentially the inspections and some of their contingencies when they have this pre-inspection report. They really feel like they know what they're walking into. So when a pre-inspection might matter the most. Older homes, it's a great thing to have on an older home. Homes with unique systems or features, it's a great time to do that as well. Sellers who want a smoother and faster close. Highly competitive markets, those are all great reasons to do a pre-inspection before you list your house. So here's the bottom line. A pre-inspection isn't about hiding the flaws at all. We're not hiding anything. It's about being proactive. Just like making your kids do their homework before playing the video games, it saves you headaches later, okay? In Arizona's real estate market, that could mean selling faster, a smoother transaction, and potentially more money in your pocket. So if you're thinking about selling your house here at the end of 2025 or even in 2026, I want to know if a pre-inspection makes sense for you. Let's have a quick chat. And don't forget to follow me, the Real Estate Boss Mom, on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't taken the opportunity to do so yet. We've got lots of smart selling strategies there, and we're going to do it with a practical twist. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on our next video.